Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video or my videos. And in today's video, I want to talk about the difference between dry and dehydrated skin. Okay, so let's start with dry skin. Dry skin is a skin type that lacks oil. Dehydrated skin is a skin condition that lacks water. So oily skin can be dehydrated, combination skin can be dehydrated. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So I put the dry skin and dehydrated skin together because they usually go hand in hand. They're the most common that you see the two of them, and what you do for one can help the other. That's why I wanted to talk about the both of them in one video. So let's talk about dry skin. So dry skin can appear rough to the touch. It can be sensitive, and you can see some flakiness when your skin is dry. When your skin is dehydrated, the skin tends to look dull, and you can have kind of a tight feeling, and in some cases fine lines are a little bit more visible. So those are the characteristics of the two. Now, a couple of things or a few things to avoid to help these two, this skin type and this skin condition. Hot showers should be a no-no, or really hot saunas, jacuzzis. If you have really dry or dehydrated skin, try to avoid this. Not that you can't do them, just do them within limitation. Sun exposure, this is kind of a no-no for all skin types and conditions, but if you have dry or dehydrated skin, please really make sure that you are avoiding the sun. Also, when you have your heater or AC running all year long, which we do in the United States or in many other parts of the world, it's either the AC or the heater that's always running. These can really especially dehydrate and dry out your skin. So if you can do anything to add moisture to your room, I'm actually thinking I want to add a humidifier to my room to see if that helps my dry skin. I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know how it works out. So if you can do that, I think that will make a difference. I actually have a humidifier for Amanda, for my daughter, in her room. So I think it's time for me to add one for mine. So those are the things that you want to avoid. Now let's talk about products, or what to do to help these two guys. So for dry skin and dehydrated skin, let's talk about drinking water. That should be your number one for actually all skin conditions. For your body benefits so much from drinking water. In this case, we're talking about skin. I can really see a difference when someone is drinking plenty of water. And of course, this is going to be the number one thing you need to do if you're dealing with dehydrated skin. So make sure you are keeping up with your water intake daily. Also, when it comes to dehydrated skin, I like to make sure that my clients, or myself actually, have a product or several products that contain hyaluronic acid. And these ingredient is actually the body makes it naturally, and it helps the skin retain water. So this helps the skin feel, it takes away that tight feeling. So anything you do, any products you're adding to your skincare, make sure hyaluronic acid is in them. When it comes to dry skin, of course, you want to make sure that you are moisturizing with something that has peptides. Peptides are very hydrating, very soothing for the skin. Anything that has vitamin E or ceramides, that helps dry skin as well. So, but also some of these ingredients can also help you retain water. So like I said, these two kind of go really go hand in hand, and what you do for one thing can help the other. That's why I wanted to put them on one video. I like to try to avoid exfoliants that are very harsh. Anything with salicylic acids or any type of acid, it's best to avoid. You can still exfoliate, just shouldn't exfoliate as often. So maybe twice a week with something very mild like papaya enzymes or something like that. You want to avoid just acids because this is going to dry out your skin even more. When it comes to cleansers, my favorite go-to for either dry or dehydrated skin would be creamy cleanser. And the creamy cleansers are just going to cleanse your skin but also add moisture to them, which is which is very, very important. The difference, there is another cleanser that is the gel cleanser. This one is not going to add any moisture to your skin, so that's why I like to recommend my clients, and I use it myself. The Hydra cleanser is best for this skin type and this skin condition. Another tip is, or that I like to tell my clients, is if you have really, really dry skin, try not to cleanse twice a day. And yes, you have to do it every day, but just try to cleanse at night to remove makeup, to remove impurities. But in the morning, just rinse with water. That way you're not constantly removing the good oils that your skin has, because your skin is already lacking oils. You don't want to continue removing them and preventing your skin from really retaining the moisture. So I hope this clarifies kind of the difference between the two and how to help this condition and this skin type. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. I would love to hear what you thought about this video. And nothing, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in a couple weeks with more videos. Bye. Thanks for watching.